This tutorial is all about Microsoft PowerPoint. Here you can add your text. You can add more text here. After completing the welcome page setup, then you can go to New Slide. On this second slide, you can add product information. You can add new slides by new layout. You can change the slide layout. Now go to Insert option. You can insert a picture from your computer. You can add a smart object design. Now go to Design. Select any design for your presentation. Then you can change the color combination. Now go to the slideshow. This is your ultimate slideshow view. Now add more animation text. Now I am adding different types of animations to different slides. This is the preview. This is the preview. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe.